How to make your partner fall in love every day. 10 tips to achieve it. Communication, sincerity, and knowing how to value your partner are some of the tips that we will review next. Love is renewed every day, therefore, it is essential to dedicate time to the couple to rediscover them from a different perspective. People change constantly, therefore, you can always know a different facet of that person with whom you share your life. In Guyotika we give you 10 tips to make your partner fall in love every day. 1. Communication. First, communication is one of the most important components of a happy relationship. Therefore, devote a lot of attention to working this part of your relationship. 2. Do not lie. Be honest with yourself to be able to be with your partner. A lie does not lead you anywhere positive. 3. Accept your partner as it is. Accept your partner as it is without trying to change them. Otherwise, it will end up distancing itself. 4. Love is shown in the simple. Therefore, take care of the small details of day-to-day because they are the most important. 5. Value the person next to you and do not compare it to anyone else. Remember that your partner is unique and unrepeatable, a special person. 6. Celebrate special dates but also, encourage yourself to turn any day into a memorable occasion. You can surprise your partner with a romantic dinner on Monday. 7. Respect your partner's freedom and its own space. 8. Avoid merging with your partner because that is impossible. Cultivate your personal improvement in an individual way. 9. Never associate jealousy with love. Cultivate trust. 10. Learn to give but also, learn to receive. A relationship is based on balance. Source, https://www.guyotika.com. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. To learn more about how to make your partner fall in love every day, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the link in the description below, and please tell us your opinions in the comments section.